about Tim's?
I have teams.
Do you really?
Yeah, I buy from here too.
Really?
Yeah, Davis buy from me. That's why I love AMP bros, bro.
They take care of you.
They're like my big bros. Like I'll dodge a bullet for them.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait. The saying is, I'd take a bullet. I'd take a bullet. For
Oh
them.
yeah, I'll take a bullet for them.
You said you would dodge a bullet. For
Oh, I
them.
say it wrong. Yeah. If they got poison, if I need to suck it out, I'll suck it out.
I think you'd do that for any man at this point. That's what it sounds like.